The blinking yellow light on your Rogers Ignite modem, often a hit-run model, indicates an issue with the upstream connection. This means your modem is struggling to send data back to Rogers, preventing it from fully registering on the network and causing internet connectivity problems. This is often due to issues in Rogers' hybrid fiber coax network. Think of it like a two-way street. Data flows to you downstream and from you upstream. A blinking yellow light means data can't reliably leave your home. This problem affects a noticeable percentage of Rogers users, roughly 15 to 20% in Canada. Don't worry, there are steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix it yourself. Start with the simplest fix. Power cycle your modem. Unplug it from the power outlet for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches and often resolves the blinking yellow light. Next, check your cable connections. Ensure the coaxial cable is tightly connected to both the modem and the wall outlet. Replace any damaged cables as they can cause signal issues. If the issue persists, try a factory reset. Hold the reset button on your modem for 10 to 15 seconds. Note that this will erase your Wi-Fi settings, so have those details ready. Check your signal levels using the Rogers Ignite Health Check app. The signal-to-noise ratio should be above 20 to 25 dB. Low SNR indicates a weak signal causing the upstream issue. If none of these steps work, contact Rogers support for a technician visit to inspect your lines. Rogers is also rolling out firmware updates and performing fiber optic upgrades to help. As a temporary backup, consider using a mobile hotspot. The Ignite Health Check app often resolves 40% of cases.